Hello, my name's Gemma Gilvin. I'm the Head of English at John of Gaunt, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about English Language and Literature A-Level. So this is the combined A-Level for Language and Literature. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what the course entails, how it builds on from GCSE and where it might lead to in the future. A-Level Language and Literature is an A-Level course that asks students to critically examine the world around them. It appreciates how language is used, how language can be adapted for specific contexts, and explores the power in language and communication. It's a suitable course for those that are curious about the world around them, want to increase their analytical and critical thinking skills, and also have an interest in communication, politics, and language as an art form. The course centres around two themes: telling stories and exploring conflict. This means that students study a range of literature texts, such as Margaret Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale, A Streetcar Named Desire by Tennessee Williams, a poetry anthology, and a collection of non-fiction texts that all relate to the theme of Paris. Students analyse how language is used in these texts and how they impact their audiences and their readers. This builds on the GCSE content, but because the texts are more interesting and gritty, we find that we study the texts in greater depth than we're able to do at GCSE. Like the English language GCSE, there is also an element of creative writing, as students recreate a part of their set text, The Great Gatsby, and then examine the choices that they've made in their own creative writing. So if you really enjoy the creative writing part of the GCSE, then this would be an interesting A-level for you to choose. The third and final component of the course, and perhaps the greatest difference from GCSE, is the independent project, which is worth 20% of the course, and we call it the NEA, the non-examined assessment. It requires students to compare a literary text and a non-literary text, and this gives students the choice to select an aspect of language, politics or society that really interests them and that they want to study in much greater detail than they've been able to in the past. As such, this course would suit students that are interested in history, English, sociology and creative writing. Students who study English language and literature at A-level go on to lots of different career paths and further study options. It's a very popular course for aspiring journalists, for aspiring lawyers, or for any career really that requires attention to detail and critical thinking. If you've got any questions about studying the course at John of Gaunt, please don't hesitate to get in touch and with any of the English team, and all of our details are on the website, and we'd be happy to give you more information about the course. Thank you.